This is the $10,000 laundry room gaming setup I've been using for the last 2 years. I'm moving to a new place. Everything is over there except for this. So in this video, we're gonna tear it down, put it back to its original state because this is definitely not it. And then I'll show you guys the new setup and you guys can kind of give me some ideas on what I should do there. Let's get to tearing it down. Now there's a lot of stuff, don't get me wrong. Got a pretty good sized trailer. So I'm gonna start trying to pack up all this loose stuff into boxes. Then I'll take the monitors down. I'll then take the desk apart, get all the cables in a box. I think I should be able to fit it all in one trailer. I've got a ton of these totes and that's what I'm gonna throw all the stuff in. And it should keep it relatively safe, you know. It'll be fine, it'll be fine. So at the new place, I'm gonna have to get a new desk, and here's why. I cut this one so it would fit on this weird wall, kind of kick out that I have here, but if I cut this to size to make it all one, the depth is just way too shallow for me to use. That one will be fine, but it's not long enough as one piece. I think an IKEA trip is in the books. I also think I have plenty of screen real estate. Probably don't need any more monitors. All right, we're back here the next day. I got all the PCs and stuff loaded up. Today I gotta tackle the desks and packing up the rest of the shelf. Got these nice little containers that, I don't know, usually store candy or something like that. We got 3 of those, and we're gonna load up all this. One box down, and wow, that filled up fast. Does anybody need a hard drive? I got an extra one. Maybe this will be the next giveaway. Don't have any more of those little red totes. So I think I'm gonna try to freeload the rest of it in the car. It's kind of bigger square stuff and stuff in containers already, so shouldn't be that bad. And then we'll take apart the shelf. This thing is actually a little bit heavier than I thought it would be. Time for the desks. It looks like an actual laundry room now. All right. One down. One more to go. Throw one more cabinet right here. Strap it up. That is my helper. So at least it kind of looks like a laundry room now, but lots of cleaning. Walls, floors. Me and my wife will come back and do that. Forgot I need this too. Made it to the new place. Let's check to make sure if our PCs and monitors survived. No broken glass. No broken glass. Everything looks good. Made it to the new place. Let's check out where our potential new setup could go. Big basement living room. We got a definite IKEA trip coming up. Not sure how we're gonna lay this out, but one spot I could put it, put the setup right here. This is a big open wall. Not a bad idea. The kids' room is right here though, so at night when I'm raging, not a good idea. Or behold, the huge storage area. We could put some drywall up, we could put some kind of paneling, whatever we want, but this whole space is plenty huge. Like we could either drywall this or something, but there's so much room. I could be as loud as I want. This is it probably. We could have the hometown insulation background. We could keep that. Doesn't matter. Something pretty cool here, check this out. We got, I believe this is Cat 5. Yeah, it's not Cat 6. Cat 5 running throughout the whole house so we could throw up a setup anywhere, but this is gonna be it. this is gonna be it. Finally finished the sleeper PC. That thing's gonna be a beast. Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna be building the setup. That's taking down the laundry room. I'm gonna miss that setup. I had a lot of channel growth in that little space. It was pretty cool. Thanks for checking this one out. We'll see you in the next one.